So what is access list? What is access list? Access list is when me, Mr. Gaston, stand on the door and allow a person to come to the class and not allow a person to come to the class. You understand the idea?
Filtering, you mean?
No, me, Mr. Gaston.
Okay.
Of course, we're telling anyone. So, how I will decide who will come to the class or not come to the class?
Some rules.
No, who bring me cake, he will enter the class. Who
Okay.
not bring me cake, he will not enter the class. Last. How last? No, just cake. Because we love sweets, yeah. Sharing.
Money is sweeter than cake.
For you, maybe. I have money, I need cake. Okay, so who will write this list?
Rata?
The user.
Ah.
The user will write this list. Come on, who's the user?
Us.
No, the IT manager. Do you see the idea here? Do you understand? So the IT manager will write a list. So the question is, how can I, the manager, knows which user I will write or I will not write? Exactly, by using IPs. Come on? So I will depend on IPs to check whether I will accept or not accept the incoming traffic. Come on? So this network is 10. Come on? This network is 10. This user is 10.0.0.2. يلا. أهلا وسهلا. حضرتك ممرضة؟ Yes. So this user is 10.0.0.2. And this user is what?
3.
3. Come on? I want to allow 3 and deny 2. From what? From going outside the network. You understand the idea?
Yes.
So before we start, we should know something. Before we start, we should know something. This is called the internal network, and this is called the external network. So this is the internet, basically. And this is the LAN. So this router, which is connected to the LAN and to the network, it has 2 ports, right?
Yes.
So when the data will go from LAN to the router, it is called in. Because I'm going inside the router. You understand the idea? You understand? And the data will go outside the router to the internet. It's called outside. In and out. You understand here? You understand? This is very important because we will use the in and out later on. You understand here? So any data will go inside is called in. Any data will come from outside. No, coming from outside, also in. So if I want to deny this one, this is my in. But if I want to deny this need one, this is my in. You understand here? Because the data is coming in from outside. So it's depending from the view that I am denying the network. If I'm denying from local, my small point here, this is the in one. If I am derived from the output, this is the in. So now for this LAN, this is in and this is out. Come on? And for the internet, this is in and this is out. So it's like inverse point. Come on? Okay, let's see what will happen. There are 2 types of access lists. There is called standard and there is extended. So the standard means I will deny everything as a user. The connection, the protocols, the IP, the information, everything. The extended one, no. I'm only denying a protocol from the user. Like example, I will deny YouTube service, but I will allow emails. I will deny emails, I will allow YouTube. I will deny ping. but I will allow for downloading. You see, I'm denying only as extended a protocol. Tamam? So let's see. How we know the difference between standard and extended? The standard has a number between 1 and 99. The extended between 100 and 199. So when I use access list from 1 to 99 is a standard. When I use access list 100 to 199 is extended. Tamam? Okay, so let's use the standard one. I will go to the router. Okay. Enable. Config T. So, access list 1. So, when I choose 1 meaning, I'm using the standard one. Tamam? Access list 1 means the standard one. So, access list 1 deny, who deny TN002. So who I denied? 002. Tamam? Where to deny it, we don't know until now. We just deny it. But where, we don't know. But when I deny, I must allow. When I go to the door and I say, everyone without cake will be denied. So, anyone with cake will be allowed. So you see, I'm allowing and denying. So I must allow. So access list 1, allow or permit any. So what's mean by any? Any means everyone else. So I'm denying 10002, but I'm allowing the others. I must allow after the deny, not before the deny. The writing commands arrangement is very important. If I allow before deny, it will not work. I must deny, then allow. So can I only deny user? No, I can also deny network. So I can say, access list 1 deny 10.0.0.0, meaning I will deny the whole network. Tamam? Okay. So now I denied and I permitted. Now what? I must apply the access list on the interfaces. So which interface I will use? I will use the in one. So deny this one or deny the out one. So what is the difference between denying the in and the out? Let's see. This is the router. This is the users. This is my connection to internet. And here we have the DMZ. Remember the DMZ?
Yes.
What is DMZ?
It's a server that's not connected to the internet but have all the
It's an area, not a server. It's called zone, demalicious zone. So it's an area not connected to the internet, but it's connected to my network. So this one is called my network. Now pay attention. This is the in, this is the out, and this is the out, right? If I want to deny the access list, and I will apply it on the in, meaning the traffic will not pass the router from here or from here, because I denied from entering the router. So when I apply access list on the main interface, it will not forward it to any ports. But if I deny it on the out line here, I can go here, no problem. But I cannot go here. You understand?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yeah. If I deny the access list, this one, the access list 1. If I deny access list from in the router, it will not enter the router. So it will not go here or here, because it will not enter the router. Tamam? But if I deny it from outside, from here, it can go in and go like this. But it cannot go like this, because this one is permitted. Denied. Tamam? Is it clear? So what I will do it now, I will do it on the import. So I will write interface FA0/0. I'm here now on this interface. And I will write IP access list group 1 in. So meaning here, apply the access list 1 on the in interface. Now let's see what will happen. I don't remember if I enabled routing protocols, but I will re-enable them as a fast router rep, network 10.0.0.0 and 11. So of course router rep must be configured for both routers for multi-connection. Enable config T router rep network 11.0.0.0 and 12. Now let's see what will happen. I will fast forward time. Now let's see the message. So from 3 to 2 failed, successful. See? So there is the connection. If I go back, see, successful. So if I want to check from here, ping 12.2. See, there's a connection. Why this is pinging? Because this is 10.3, not 10.2. I didn't deny 10.3. I denied
10.2.
So let's ping from 10.2. Ping 12.2. See? Host unreachable. The packet doesn't even enter the router, so he can get access. Okay? We can also see this by simulation time. When I send message from here to here. See, when the message will go to the router, it will be blocked. See what will happen? See? Blocked. Come back. Do not go outside. Okay? But other data can go outside. So now what I want to do, I want to inverse the idea. I want to deny 12.2 from coming. Oh, let's 12.3. This is 12.2, right? Yes. So I want to deny 12.2 from coming to the router. Okay? So we will do again later on. Again. So access list 1, deny 12.2 and allow permit and see deny then allow. Okay. Now what I will apply it on the 0.1 interface. Okay. So interface FA 0/0, no 0/1. IP access group 1 in or out? No. And I said when the packet comes from there, I will block the end so he will not enter my network. So let's say I made a mistake and I wrote out. What will happen? Who knows?
It will
If I
enter.
made a mistake and I wrote out, not in.
I can't send
Yes.
I
The packet will enter, but
Would not send. The packet will not go to the other network.
to deny the IP.
no, it will work
For this
perfectly.
one, it's okay because we don't have Zoom.
No, it will work perfectly. Why? Because when I say you are not allowed out, not in, as an example. So he will enter.
Yes.
Tamam? And the acknowledgement is not the same source. It's different one. I'm saying I will deny the sign from entering the network. From out the network, not in, okay? So when I'm in the network, no one said you are not allowed to, because they said you are not allowed to out. So I will enter. Who will receive my packet? Heidi. Heidi will acknowledge. When the message will go back to the router, he will not say Ghassan out or Ghassan in. What he will say, Heidi in, because he received and acknowledged. So the source IP changed. Now it's not working. So you see, when in and out is very important to protect the network. Okay? So access will run in again in. This in from the point of view of what of the outside network. So now if I send message from here to here, successful. Allah. From this one to this one, progress. See? Okay? Now try to do it. Yes.
مثلا اخذنا الحاجه الجديده يعني
Yes.
هذا محل.
Yes.
Here this would another method.
خلصنا ان شاء الله.
لا سؤال عيد.
ما شكيتي. Yes. This is Allah.
We have behind this piece.
Peace, yes.
And this piece you need to receive all the night or not?
Yes. Any message from outside. It will receive but to not answer.
It will just receive.